Hey everybody, how you doing? Jeff, Shop Talk. Excited to be back, and I'm really excited to talk about a new revolutionary product for us, the UltraFlex. Squishy, flexible, fleshy, no, squexible? Squexible. We'll go with squexible. Look at this bad boy. The whole light itself can bend up to 120 degrees. All right, so there's 6 sections for LED, 12 total LEDs when you get 2 colors. Wow! Right. 69 flash patterns. It does sync, steady burn in each dual color, but most importantly, look at this baby, just so nice. Please tell your technicians, don't squeeze it past 120 degrees. That's unnecessary. Don't squeeze it past 120. But for all the unique radiuses on your rear view mirrors, your front quarter panel, this right here, perfect. With the peel and stick, it's very important you prep the surface, all right? Prep the surface. Make sure it's real clean, dry, no debris, just like any peel and stick. This VHB tape is what they would use for skyscrapers and the windows that they stick onto it, so very robust. If you don't want to use the flexible side of it, you can simply use our standard flat bracket with 2 screws. This Silicone Clear, all right, prevents yellowing and aging. It's manufactured by one of the finest silicone manufacturers in the globe. In all seriousness, no, this is not called the squetchable directional. It's the ED3794 UltraFlex. Unlimited radii that you can mount this to up to 120 degrees. It's a pretty fantastic new product, first to the market, first for you. Come check it out. Visit our website, ECCOESG.com.